Hello everyone, I am Satish, Aptitude and Reasoning Trainer from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Let us see this question. At 3:40, the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock form an angle of. There is a simple formula to solve this question. Look at the formula. Theta is equal to 30h minus of 11 by 2 m. Here h denotes hour, m denotes minutes. So here hour is 3 and minute is 40. If you substitute in this, you get the answer. Then why are you putting these two lines? So these lines denote that if your value is in negative, we have to convert to positive value. So these two lines denote that if your answer is negative, for example, so if you get 90 minus of 100, then your answer will be minus 10. So if you put that in these two lines, it becomes plus 10. Okay, so minus 10, it becomes plus 10. So clear? Okay, so if you solve this question using this formula, you get the answer. But I am going to teach you the logical way of solving this question. So let's rub this. First, we can draw a clock. Okay, 1 second. Okay, done. So I have drawn the clock. First, we get the concept of the clock. What is the clock is made up of? How many segments they are divided? See, clock is a round figure. Okay, a clock is a round figure. So a full circle denotes 360 degree. Everyone know that. A full circle denotes 360 degree. And it was cut into 12 parts. Where are the 12 parts? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. So it was cut into 12 parts. So we are dividing that by 12. So we get 3 times. So it is 30 degree. So what is 30 degree? This one segment between 12 to 1, 30 degree. 1 to 2, this segment is 30 degree. Okay, so for example, like this. So this and this segment is 30 degree. So clear? So the hour hand of the clock has to move from 12 to 1. From 12 to 1, it has to travel 30 degree. When you travel from 12 to 1, when the hour hand of the clock will be traveling from one unit to another unit, 12 to 1, other 1 to 2. The minute hand should travel for 60 minutes. That is one complete rotation. Then only the hour hand will travel from 12 to 1. That's one segment. That is 30 degree. So in 1 hour, the hour hand travels 30 degree. In 1 minute, I am talking about only hour hand, okay, not minute hand, okay. So in 1 minute, the hour hand travels how many? 0.5 or 1 by 2. So I will tell you how this 0.5 comes, okay. So 1 second. So or 1 by 2, okay. So look at here. The hour hand is pointing 12 and it has to travel to 1. So it takes 1 hour. So in 1 hour, it takes 30 degree. In 1 minute, the minute hand is pointing 12 and it travels to 1 minute. At the same time, hour hand also travels. So minute hand is traveling for 1 minute. At the same time, hour hand also travels. So hour hand forms an angle of 0.5. How this 0.5 becomes? This 30 degree, the hour hand has to travel. Same time, the minute hand has to travel a complete 60 minutes time. Okay, so divided by 60. So if we cancel that, we get 1 by 2. So clear? So now let's solve this question. Okay, so I shall erase everything. Now let's solve this question. So look, they asked for 340. 3 is to 40. So 3 instants, this 3. And this 40 instants, you have to take as 8. So clear? If they ask for 25, what you will take? You will take it at 5. If they asked for 10, you will take it at 10. 2. So clear? So here they asked for 40. So 340. So 3 to 8. So clear? So here 3 to 8. So 3 to 8. How many segments are there between 3 to 8? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 segments. Each segment carries 30 degree. So 5 segments carries 150 degree. So clear? So from 3 to 8, it has to travel 150 degree. But look at this hover hand, it has already traveled a little bit. So from 3 to 4, it doesn't have to travel for 30 degree. Already it has traveled a small bit, little bit, and it has to travel only this much. So remaining part, it has to travel completely. This theta has to be found using the minute hand. In 1 minute, the hover hand has to travel 0.5 or 1 by 2 degree. So how many minutes this hover hand has traveled here? This one. How many minutes it has traveled? 40. Look at here, 40 minutes traveled. So into 40, so we get 20 degree. So what we have to do? 150 plus 20 or 150 minus 20. What we had to do? So from 3 it has traveled this much. So this much is 40 minutes duration degree, which is equal to 20 degree. We don't need that degree. Okay, so we don't need that 20 degree. We have to solve only this. So total 30 minus of 20. But we have found out what? Total 150. So 150 minus of 20 will be your answer and not plus 20. So your answer will be 130 degree. This method seems to be very difficult, but this is the logical way. I have explained you. So that's why I have taken this much of time. If you think logically, you can solve in seconds. Okay. So be prepared for solving a question in logical way or shortcut way, and also the concept method. Do not forget the formulas. In certain questions, formula method will be best. In certain questions, logical way will be very best. So compound interest. Find the compound interest on rupees 16,000 at 20% per annum for 9 months. Compounded quarterly. We know the compound interest formula. So base formula, compound interest base formula will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N minus of P. Many students will forget to put this minus of P. We have to subtract that principal. If you don't subtract that principal, this will be your amount. So if you solve, you get the amount. When you subtract the principal, you get the compound interest. So clear? So we are not going to use this formula. This is base formula. This is for compounded annually. But look at here, they have given compounded quarterly and for 9 months only. So formula has to be changed a little bit. The number of years should be 9 by 12. So this rate of interest will be divided by 4, divided by 400. So we have to memorize so many formulas for compounded annually, compounded half yearly, compounded bi-monthly, compounded quarterly. So I am going to teach you how to solve a compound interest question without using the formula. A simple logical method can be applicable for any type of compound interest question. For example, for annually, quarterly, half yearly, bi-monthly, any type. First, observe the question. What they asked, compounded annually or quarterly or half yearly, bi-monthly. Okay, so here they are asked for quarterly. Now, look at the time period, 9 months. So in 9 months, how many quarters are there? 3 quarters, 3 months. Okay, 3 quarters. So first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. So clear? So now I don't need this 9 months. Then we have to look at the percentage. That's rate percentage. Always rate percentage will be per annum only. If they given or not given, you have to take it as per annum. So 20% is for 1 year. 1 year in sense 12 months. But we have to take it for only 3 months, not 9 months. Okay. So listen carefully, not 9 months, only for 3 months, because quarterly is 3 months. So into 3. So if you cancel this, this will be 4 times. If you cancel this, you get 5%. For each quarter period, you have to calculate the compound interest for 5% only. So all the quarter periods carries 5% only. So clear? So I shall erase remaining things. Okay. So now look at here. Now 16,000. Now we are going to solve the question. 16,000 first year 5%. 10% of 16,000 is 1 0 will be strike off. So 1,600. 5% will be half of that, 800. In second year also 800. In third year also 800. Suppose it is fourth year 800, fifth year 800, 57th year 800, 85th year 800. So in every year, if the interest does not change, it means it is a simple interest. So clear? So difference between simple interest, compound interest. What is the difference? Simple interest, in every year, the interest will not change. But in compound interest, in each year the interest changes. As interest is calculated on interest. So clear? So this is simple interest. So simple interest value will be 8 3s are 24, 2400. So clear? But we have asked to find the compound interest. So compound interest in sense interest plus interest. Okay, so interest on interest is compound interest. In first year we don't have any previous interest, so just put an into. In second year we have a first year interest, this value. So 800 5%. 800 5%. 10% is 80. Half of that 80 is 5%. So 40. So clear? Now in third year, we put a line and calculate all the interest. Second year and first year. Not only second year, we have to take the first year also. So 5% of 800 will be 40. 5% of this 800 will be 40. 5% of this 40. 10% is 4. 5% half of that 20. Okay. So then add all this. 4 3 12. 120. Here on 2. So add that. So 2 5 2 2 is your compound interest. So clear? So look at the question. Two mobiles, each having a cost price of 2,500. Two mobiles, each having, very important word this is, each having in sense, first mobile is 2,500, second mobile also 2,500. Okay, so I shall write it here. First mobile, second mobile. So here it is, cost price is 2,500. So here also cost price equal to 2,500. Okay. One sold at 5% profit. I am selling the first mobile as 5% profit. If there is a profit of 20% in total, okay, this is not for second mobile, this is total. So I am putting here total. So total cost price will be 2,500 plus so 2,500, you get it here 5,000. So profit percentage is equal to 20%. This profit percentage you have to find out. So that's the answer. Find the percentage profit made on the sale of the second mobile. Okay, let's calculate it. So here profit will be 2,500, 5%. 10% is 250, 5% half of that, 125. So here total profit will be, profit is equal to 10% is 500, 20% will be 1,000. So I am buying two mobiles, selling one at a profit of 125 rupees. But the overall profit in my hand is 1,000 rupees. So remaining value will be 1,000 minus of 125 will be 875, which is the profit of second mobile. Okay, so first mobile plus second mobile is equal to total profit. So clear? So here it is profit, here it is cost price. We have to find profit percentage. The formula for profit percentage will be P divided by CP into 100. That is profit divided by cost price into 100. Always note in mind that Profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Discount is always calculated on marked price. So clear? Okay. So if you solve this, 875 divided by 2500 into 100. If we cancel this 0000 and 25 will be, so directly we can cancel in 25th table. Okay. So this will be 32 and 35. Okay. So profit percentage is equal to 35. So clear? So this is how we solve it in a basic way. That's concept way. But I am going to teach this question in a simple ratio method. Okay. So have a look at it. So two mobiles each cost price is 2500. Okay. So keep that aside. So let take this 5%. First mobile, second mobile, total. Okay. So 5% in sense, 5% is equal to 5 by 100. If we cancel this, we get 1 by 20. What is 1 by 20? 20 is cost price, 1 is profit. So cost price and selling price. I am putting here cost price and selling price, not cost price and profit. Okay, we will confuse that. So we are putting that cost price and selling price. So cost price is 20, profit is 1. So selling price will be 21. So clear? So second mobile they have didn't said anything. So let's keep it aside. Come to the total. Total is 20%. So 20% will be written as 1 by 5. So 5 is cost price and 1 is profit. So 5 is cost price. So 5 is cost price in sense 5 rupees mobile is sold for 6 rupees. That's the meaning. Okay, 5 is cost price and 1 is profit. 5 rupees an item is sold for 6 rupees. So what they have told is each having cost price of 2500. That is in sense cost price is same in for both the mobiles. Okay, that's the concept. Cost price is same. Here cost price is 20. Okay, so here also it should be 20. Then total should I have 40. Clear? So 20 plus 20. Here I should get the value as 40. But it is 5. How can I change it to 40? Just multiply. Multiply by 8. Same here, multiply by 8. So you get 40 here. Here you get 48. So total cost price is 40 and total selling price is 48. So clear? Then look at here. Selling price of first mobile is 21. Total selling price is 48. So second mobile value will be this total minus of 21. That is selling price of first mobile. So you get 27. 27. So now look at here. Cost price of second mobile is 20. Selling price is 27. Then profit will be 7. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So profit is 7 divided by cost price. Look at the cost price 20. Okay. So 20 into 100. So clear? So 20 one time, here 5 times, 7 5s are 35% profit. That's it. You can solve maximum of questions using this ratio method. It's a very important method. Very important method. So look at the question and the answer. We have missed a value. What's that value? This 2500. I didn't touch this value. So if it is 2500, if you are using a normal way or concept way or a formula way, you can easily solve this. But if they are giving here as 13,752.25 rupees, then if you are using the formula method or a basic way of solving, you will be taking much more time as it is a huge number, huge value. So in this ratio method, I am not going to touch this value because they are asked for percentage. So I am taking only the percentage value to solve the question. So clear? Okay, thank you.